Welcome to Comedy Global. The Nepal Supreme Court has issued an order to free serial killer Charles Sobhraj, also known as Bikini Killer, from jail on the basis of a legal provision which states that prisoners who have completed 75% of their jail term and showed good character during imprisonment can be released. The Kathmandu Post reported that the 78-year-old was infamously called the Bikini Killer on the basis of the attire of several of his victims. On Wednesday, Nepal Supreme Court ordered the release of the French serial killer who has spent over 2 decades in jail. The French serial killer, also known as Serpent Killer, has been released on the grounds of old age. He has been in Nepali jail on charge of murdering 2 American tourists. A joint bench of Justices Sapna Pradhan Malla and Tilak Prasad Shrestha ordered to free Shobhraj from jail on the grounds of the age. The court concluded that the 78-year-old should be freed as he has already completed 95% of his jail term. Shobhraj's lawyers had long been demanding the court's intervention for clemency. In different petitions, they had demanded a waiver of his jail sentence, citing provisions of Clause 12(1) of the Senior Citizens Act 2063. The court also ordered the government to make arrangements for repatriating Shobhraj to his home country within 15 days unless he had to be kept in jail for some other offense, according to the Himalayan Times. The notorious criminal with police cases in different countries was convicted of killing the 29-year-old American citizen Connie Jo Bronzett and his 26-year-old Canadian girlfriend Laurent Carriere in 1975. Arrested on September 19, 2003, Shobhraj's life imprisonment would end on September 18 next year. The French citizen with Vietnamese and Indian parentage committed a string of murders throughout Asia in the 1970s. Shobhraj, who has been implicated in more than 20 killings, served 21 years in India for poisoning a French tourist and killing an Israeli national. Shobhraj was also awarded a 20-year jail term in 2014 after being found guilty of a second murder of a Canadian tourist, Laurent Carriere, who was killed in 1975. The French serial killer was arrested in 2004 after he was first spotted in a Kathmandu casino. Shobhraj had a cunning way of deceiving law enforcers. In 1986, he famously escaped from the high-security Tihar jail after drugging security guards by serving them spiced sweets on the pretext of celebrating his birthday. His affluent lifestyle caught the imagination of fiction and non-fiction writers. At least 3 books on his life are popular, including Thomas Thompson's 1979 work, Serpentine. In April 2021, Netflix released a 8-part BBC-commissioned miniseries, The Serpent. This is Anjana signing off. Do like and share this video. For further updates, subscribe to Comedy Global. You may also send in your feedback and news to comedyglobal@gmail.com.